Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel and page. It's me again, Mama Triple, and today's recipe is egusi soup. I'm going to show you how I made this delicious one. Please make sure you watch from the start to the end and also help me to share the video. Thanks to everyone that has been sharing my video. I appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. So I'm going to add my palm oil to the pot. I'm going to let it heat a little while. Thereafter, add my onions. I'm going to stir fry for at least 30 seconds. And thereafter, I'm going to add my mixed pepper. In my mixed pepper is crayfish, onions, and red bell pepper. So I'm going to stir. After stirring, I'm going to, of course, add my seasoning, salt, and bouillon powder. There are many ways that we can cook our egusi soup, okay? So this time I'm going to show you this method that I used. After stirring everything together, I'm going to cover my pot and let it cook for like 8 to 10 minutes on a low heat. And after that, I'm going to add my already cooked meat. This is my egusi soup, which I've already mixed with water. So I used goat's meat for this egusi soup, turkey meat, and fish. So I'm going to add my egusi, and after adding it, I'm going to just like use the spoon to let it go down a little and then cover to let cook for like 5 minutes. Please cook this on a low heat so that it will not burn. So I'm going to cover, and after that I'm going to add my meat. After adding my meat, I'm going to use my spoon to like turn it a little, or like to make the meat go down a little, and then I'm going to cover again. And guys, this method is just everything. So now I'm also going to add my bitter leaf. This bitter leaf is very important for your egusi soup, especially if you are the type that is very sensitive, like if your stomach doesn't go well with spinach. It is very important that you use bitter leaf for your egusi. You can also add spinach as well, but me, I always use bitter leaf for my egusi soup. That way it will not disturb my stomach. So this is my smoked mackerel fish. After adding the mackerel fish, I'm going to carefully stir and then add my water, the water that I used in cooking the meat. Okay, that's the meat stock. So now I'm going to cover to let cook for like 10 minutes on a low heat to avoid burning. So that's it, guys. As you can see, my egusi soup is almost getting ready. Look at this, guys. This looks so delicious already, and I really love the way the bitter leaf came out. Like the outcome of the bitter leaf, it is a bit bitter. That's how I love my egusi soup. So that's it, guys. As you can see, my soup is ready. Guys, tell me what you think about this method and leave it in the comment section. Please help me to like this video, share. You can also follow me on all my social media platforms with the name Mama Triple, and please also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook as well. Thank you so much for watching from the start till the end. I appreciate you guys. And you can eat egusi soup with rice, pounded yam, starch, plantain flour, and lots more. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to say bye for now and see you in my next one. Bye.